PI News World. Breaking news script. Breaking news from PI News World. Pioneers, stop what you're doing, because Pi Network has just entered another major stage in its technical development. Testnet 1 is now officially running on Protocol v27, marking what is being described as the final planned upgrade in Pi's current roadmap. After Protocol v26 went live on Testnet, attention has now shifted to v27, an upgrade that could represent the closing chapter of Pi's testnet development before the next major step toward Mainnet. So, what exactly does Protocol v27 bring? First, infrastructure readiness. Key components, including RPC servers, the DEX, and AMM liquidity pools, are now described as being fully in place. This is important because these systems are part of the infrastructure needed to support a more complete blockchain ecosystem. Second, Pi's testnet is moving further away from the technical boundaries associated with the Stellar Protocol. The v27 upgrade represents a major step in Pi's effort to operate with greater independence from those previous technical limitations. And there's another number that is getting the community's attention. Pi's testnet node count has reportedly surpassed 200,000. That means the network continues to demonstrate significant participation from its decentralized node community. But here is the big question every pioneer is asking. If Testnet 1 is already on Protocol v27, what comes next? According to the planned sequence, the next stage is Testnet 2. After that, the final destination is what everyone has been waiting for, Mainnet. The progression can be summarized simply: Testnet 1, Protocol v27, Testnet 2, Protocol v27 Mainnet, Protocol v27. However, pioneers should remember that a testnet upgrade does not automatically mean that a mainnet upgrade is happening immediately. Testnet exists to help developers and the community test, verify, and prepare the network before changes are introduced more broadly. That's why v27 on Testnet 1 is significant. But it is not, by itself, confirmation of a specific mainnet launch date. Still, the timing is certainly attracting attention. If Testnet 2 follows the same path, the community will be watching closely for any official announcement concerning Mainnet. So, pioneers, the question is no longer simply, will Pi upgrade? The bigger question is, when will Mainnet receive Protocol v27? Make sure your Pi node is ready. Stay alert for official announcements, and remember, in the Pi ecosystem, every major testnet development can bring the community one step closer to the next stage. This is PI News World, bringing you the latest Pi network developments. Subscribe, turn on notifications, and stay connected, because the next Pi update could be the one everyone has been waiting for. Testnet 1 is moving forward. Testnet 2 could be next. And Mainnet remains the big question. Stay tuned, pioneers.